I can even see the sample test cases. I can even see the results. Okay, great. Let's start arrays. This question looks very familiar to me. I may have done it in another account. So we have an 2D array like this is 6 by 6, and we define an hourglass in A to be a subset of values with blah 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 like this. So there are 16 hourglasses. That makes sense. Then print the maximum hourglass sum. So the hourglass sum should be like 4 by 4. We have 16 values. And the highest is 28, I think. So it's this part. So we have this function, and it should return an integer, the maximum hourglass sum in the array. We should just use brute force for this question. So the parameter is the array, and the size is just 6 by 6, and the elements are from -9 to +9. Okay, it should be fine, I think. It should be easy just using brute force. So we have for I in range, we have the 4 by 4 matrix, so a 6 by 6, and the results are 4 by 4. So for J also in range 4. Maybe we should define an result array. Result. So we can just use zeros to construct the result matrix, result to the array. So for an hourglass with starting point at ij, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 7 numbers are, the 7 coordinates are ij, j plus 1, ij plus 2, I plus 1, j plus 1, I plus 2, j, I plus 2, j plus 1, and I plus 2, j plus 2. So maybe we should just add up all of this. We have it's okay if we don't use 2D array to represent the result we can just solve all the results in a maybe in a 1D array or in a list. So answer is ARR I J plus ARR I J plus 1 plus ARR I J plus 2, oh hell, plus ARR I plus 1 J plus 1 plus ARR I plus 2 J plus ARR I plus 2 J plus 1 plus the last one ARR I plus 2 J plus 2. And after this, we should just save the answer to the result. So maybe we should just use result I j equals this, and we return. Oh, that's stupid. I should just use the empty list for the result. So we can do result dot append this. Therefore, we can be easily using the maximum function for the list. Return. We should return the largest one. Max result. That would be good. After all, it's a easy problem. Next one. Left rotation. This question looks familiar too. So a left rotation is just moving each of the elements to the left. So if 2 left rotations are performed to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and each elements are moved to the left twice, and 4 and 5 to the left, yeah, all right. Sometimes I just cannot distinguish between left and right. So 3, 4, 5 take the place of 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2 in turn takes the place of 4 and 5. So if we do if we have an array with length 5, if we do 2 left rotations, we just move the 2 the 2 left elements to the right, and that's it. So what does the input mean? The input is n and d. N is the size of A, and d is the number of left rotations we must perform. And the second line is the AI, is the array. So that's easy. If we know what left rotations really are, we do not need to really do the left rotation. We can just patch, move around the items in the list. A is, yep, A is the array. So we have n equals length A. We only need to know the module of A and D. So mod is n mod D. Yeah. And we only need to do mod times of left rotation. We take the first, the first mod items of A. And we just put them together. So ARR1, 2, extend AR1, and we return ARR2. I think this should work. Wrong answer? I can't even see the test cases. That's so stupid. I can't even see the message. Maybe I should submit? I should test against custom input. So the input is just N and D and A. So we have, for example, we have 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll see what we get. What? What's wrong with it? That's interesting. Why is this? I'll just submit to see. And all the test cases are logged. Let me see the custom input again. Compilation successful. Let me print the array2 to see. I can even see the output. That's funny. That's really funny. Huh, what's so interesting about this? And I can also, I can even see the STD out. Ugh. What's wrong with it? Let me just try using Python 3. Sorry, Python 3. Oh, no, not this one. Let me see if I can print. Hmm. Oh yeah, I got it. It should be D mod N, not N mod D. That's why. I'm so stupid. Wait, what? Dictionaries and hash maps. I hate hash maps, so no. Sorting. Sorting should not be bad. I mean, uh, let me see. Dictionaries and hash maps. I should challenge myself. Yay, I got 20 points. Harold is a kidnapper who wrote a ransom note. But now he's worried it will be traced back to him through his handwriting. He found the magazine and wants to know if he can cut out the whole words from it and use them to create an untraceable replica of his ransom note. And the words are case sensitive, and he must use only whole words available in the magazine. I don't get it. Why why doesn't he just use the letters, like, or substrings or concatenation to create the words? I mean, yeah. Given the words in the magazine and the words in the ransom note, print yes if he can, no if he can't. So M is the words in the magazine, and N are the words in the note. Um, I can probably do it without a hash map or without dictionary. We'll see. So we have magazine and note. For each, element in node, there should be an element in magazine. Maybe we can first check the length of the magazine and the node. M equals len magazine. It might save some time. Yeah, it doesn't say M must be larger than N. So yeah, I guess this makes sense. Note: if M less than N, we can't find all the words in the magazine, so return false. Should we return false or return yes or no? I think we should return yes or no. Check magazine, blah blah blah. We should print and return. Print no, return. I return false. Okay, so here's a case. We should pair all the elements in the node to the magazine. Forward in node if word in magazine. Maybe we should find the word and pop it from the magazine. So index is magazine dot, I think it's fine, word magazine dot pop int. Else, if the word is not in the magazine, print no, return true, false. If every word in the node has a counterparty in the magazine, we should print yes and return true. Runtime error, but it doesn't tell what error it is. Why can't I just see the error message? Check magazine node. What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? Runtime error. So oh wait, isn't it index? It's not fine. Yeah, I don't remember the function names, but it may take a long time for some cases. I figure out for popping, it should take very long time. Yeah, terminated due to timeout. Uh, let's see if there are any like improvements in the time. Maybe that's where we should use dictionaries and hash maps. I don't even remember what hash map really means. Let me just look at the discussion. Oh, that's really quick and dirty. From collections, import counter. Wow. So we have the library of collections and we have the function counter and it can return the kind of subtraction. Wow. Return counter ransom minus counter magazine. That's cool. That's cool. That's posted 3 years ago. It's just so quick and dirty. That's nice. So today I learned collections from collections. Import counter. Collection or collections. Collections. Import counter. Counter, counter, counter. I love counter. Yay. Okay. Uh do I have the next challenge? I should take it down somewhere. Let me just grab a notebook. Alright, today I learned is 2020 March 26. Today I learned collections point counter. Can be used to compare two two lists. For example, counter A minus counter B equals the empty dictionary. It means every element in A can be found in B. Like, yeah. Okay. So given two strings, determine if they share a common substring. If we simplify the problem, it will be given two strings, determine if they share a common letter, maybe. And we can have more than one line, more than two lines, or more than three lines of input, but we still compare them pair by pair. So hello compared with word and hi compared with word. I guess we can, so it's as small as one character. I guess I'll here. I'll look at the ASCII table. To see how many characters do we have. We have from 0 to 127 and extended to 255. So we'll just use 256 maybe. We'll have it's not a dictionary, but I'll call it dict1 anyway. $255. I'll just use it. Dict2. We have S1 and S2, so I guess 0 for I in range 255. Space here. For character in S1, so S1 and S2 are strings. If, well, I should just do dict1 or dch. Maybe I should just do equals 1. It doesn't matter. Ch in S2. And maybe we can dict2. Maybe we can use a Boolean mask. Dict1 equals 0. I think is how it works. Equals 1, larger than 0. And yeah, those should work in the same time. Maybe I should just use array. Do we have NP? No. I'm not sure whether Boolean mask can be used here, but I'll just try. Mask here, and if it doesn't hold, we'll have what? Boolean mask equals 0 all the time. So if we have one true in the mask, we'll return true. Otherwise, we'll return false. Like, I'm not sure whether we can convert it to 1 and 0. I'm not sure. If let me just use max mask. I'll just try mask. Return. Simple output, yes and no. All capital. Result is strings, I think. So, oh yeah, return yes. Otherwise, we return no and run it. Fingers crossed. Runtime error. There should be some. There might be some problem with this, with line 17. So I just don't use the Boolean mask. For I in range 255, if dict 1 equals 1 and dict 2 equals 1, return yes. If everything cannot match, we return no. Well, we only have 255. So, interesting. Hello world. Wrong answer. And all 3 test cases failed. Why can't I see? I can't even see the debug. Interesting. Let me just copy and paste it to terminal to see. Terminal. CD. And we should import all these things. Math OS random resys. Dun, dun, dun. And we should test it as 2 strings. Print 2 strings as 1 hello world. Two strings. It's not 2 strings? What's wrong with it? Return, no. Or maybe it's Python 3 and I should use parentheses here. No? Is it no? It's yes. Oh, that's where the problem is. Why is it yes? Oh, yeah, I got it. I don't have the I here. I'm so stupid. Let me run again. Of course, it shouldn't be yes. Okay, proceed. Dictionaries and hash maps are killing me. Let me see sorting. And I'll just remove the temporary one. Okay, bubble sort. Well, bubble sort is given here. First and last element should be easy. So the output should be how many swaps do we have? And the first element, last element. And we should also print the words, like array is sorted in blah blah. Since this is given here, I'll just copy that and I'll do it in C++. Swap AI and AJ plus 1. First, we need to figure out what n is. Int n is the... Oh, what's the length of? Is it length 8? I almost forgot everything in C++. Wow. Size. So it's a dot size. Yep. Where's the size? And we also need to define swap. Well, I'll just use a is an integer vector, so integer temp aj. I think this is easier. Let's see. It is a size. Yep. And here is a void function, so we just return. Oh wait, we need to count swaps. So before this, we need to count int count. When we do a swap, we count plus plus. And we also need the first and the last element. Was 3. 3 is the number of swaps. First element is A1, A0. Last element is A minus 1. Return. I hope it will work. Compilation error. Maybe I should use fprint. Let me check the usage of fprint. Printf. Yep. Printf and the prototype format specifier. Array is sorted in. Three is D, and this is also D, and this is also D. Count, and the first element A0, A minus 1. Oh wait, do I have an extra? I see, that's the problem. Why do I have so many this here? Here, and this one correspond to this one. Oh, here. Yep. I always forget the semicolon here. Do I need another? Interesting. Maybe I should go back to Python to see. I'll copy this into Python. Okay, n is length of A. Count is 0. When I finish the line, I'll delete it here. For I in range n, for j in range n minus 1, if aj greater than aj plus 1, count plus equals 1, temp equals aj, aj equals aj plus 1, aj plus 1 equals temp, and that's it. Oh, wait. And we have printf here. Array is sorted in. Is count. Swaps. Well, return. Let's see. Why? Why this time we have congratulations? I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Mark and toys. Who is Mark? Mark and Jane are very happy. Their son loves toys. It sounds like a dynamic programming problem. Is it? It's sorting. Given a list of prices and an amount to spend, what's the maximum number of toys Mark can buy? Yeah, it really sounds like a dynamic programming. Complete the function maximum toys and it should return an integer representing the maximum number of toys Mark can purchase. And it has the following parameters: prices and k. Mark just wants as many as the toys, as many toys as he can buy. It is DP. So with DP, we have like whether to include, let's see, whether to include the, for example, ice, toy, so we have, for example, f I minus 1 with k. I mean f I k equals max of f I minus 1 k in the f to include I. So it's 1 plus f I minus 1, and we have less money, k minus the price of I. Yeah, I think that makes sense. So we defined dp ik. Well, it should be prices in k. So we have n prices, n toys. Return max of dp n minus 1 k 1 plus dp n minus 1 k prices. Maybe I should use I here. Here. Wait, what happened here? So this one, oh wait. Yeah. And there are many situations. For example, if k less than or equal to 0, return 0. If k is less than equal to 0, less than or equal to 0, Matt cannot buy anything. And also, if I equals 0, he cannot buy anything too. I'll just combine these two, or I equals 0. I think this should work. So n equals to the length of prices, return dp n k. Runtime error. What's the error? Prices k, right, as string result. What's the error? Let me just copy and do it in terminal again. prices. Let the prices be 1, 12, 5, 111, 200, 1010. Oh wait, here. And that K be 50. Out of range. Oh, yeah, I see. N minus 1. Yeah, we have N prices, N toys. So it should start with the index N minus 1. That's why. Wrong answer? And 2 cases failed. Okay, let's see what happens here. It's 3. Interesting. Interesting. So let's see if we have this input. So we first return the DP of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. DP of 6, 50. So is the max of DP 5, 50? Is that we do not include the last one? Or 1 plus DP of 5, 40. So DP 540 should be good, I think. So DP 550 should definitely be 3 with no doubt. And DP 540, why is it? DP 540 is 2. It doesn't make sense. So let's dig further into DP 540. DP 540 is the max of dp 440, which should also be 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, which should also be 3, but it's already 2, so I don't know why. And 1 plus dp 4 and the negative something. So let's see what dp 440 is. It's still 2. That's interesting. That's interesting. So dp 440 should be the max of dp 340. One plus dp 3 and minus something. Let's see what dp 340 is. It's still 2. What about this? It's still 2. But this time, we only have 1, 12, 5 here. So that's interesting. So dp 240. Oh, I see. If I equals 0, that's the problem with I equals 0. I see. I got it. If I equals 0, the index is 0. So we have one toy here. We have one toy here. So if we have the money more than or equal to the price of this toy, we return 1. Otherwise, we return 0. If we cannot afford the first toy. Yep, it works. But we still have many wrong cases here. Oh, wait. It's such a simple problem that I didn't think of it. Maybe we should just... Wait, yeah. We should just sort the prices. Oh my god. That's so stupid. That's not like we should return the maximum value that we can get. It's just numbers, so we can sort the prices. No, prices dot sort. After plus after adding the money, after adding the price of the ith item, and it passed the budget, we'll return I because we're asked to return how many items can we buy. Oh wait, there should be an congratulations. There should be an return 0 here. Oh wait, it always works. No. Return n here. Submit. Yay. Okay, I'm done with it. Wow. Our end string